Thank you for your interest in advanced waterfall systems. There are some things you need to know before you begin. So, you've got a customer who wants a waterfall. I know you're busy, so I'm going to make this quick. Our smaller AWS systems are easy. You buy them, you install them, done. Our medium and large AWS systems have a couple more steps. Now, before you tune out, this is not complicated. It takes a couple of hours to learn the entire AWS process. And these are high margin jobs, so it's worth your time. Here's what's involved. Number one, watch the videos. We have been doing this for 25 years. We cover what you need to know. We made them for a reason. If you don't watch the videos, you're asking for trouble. Two, understand the plans we send you and read them. Number three, in some cases, you'll need to make a simple template. Don't panic. Watch the templating video. It's straightforward and any field guy can do it in an hour or two. Four, you'll need to move heavy stuff with the proper equipment, like a skid steer, excavator, or telehandler. We've got a lifting and rigging video for that. Five, you'll need to do some cement work, including pointing between the rocks and patching the single rock panels. Training videos cover it all. And depending on the job, you may have some landscape tasks. Topsoil, loose boulders, stone steps. If dirt and rock isn't your world, bring in a landscape guy. We've got a video for that too. We're here to help. We've got bilingual team members, so your Latino crew can talk directly to ours. That's a huge win on the job site. Our training videos are available in Spanish as well. What we can't help with is when you don't read the emails, don't watch the videos, and don't do the homework, and then call us on the job site asking what to do. That is a recipe for failure. Watch the videos, they're worth the time. These are high profit jobs, and they help you sell more pools too. Any questions? Give us a call. Let's go.